Does your school have a school management system? A school management system is a software program that helps your school, teachers, parents, and you all stay connected. School management systems are cool because you can use them to check out your assignments and track your grades. Plus, since the teacher puts the assignments in, it's a safe bet that the information is right. Of course, it's also nice that you can check it anywhere since it's online. That way, if you lose or forget your planner, you can still get your assignments. Don't get me wrong, a school management system doesn't replace your planner. Writing assignments in your planner is a good habit to start and keep up. For the rest of your life, you'll need to make to-do lists. This is just good practice. At least, that's what my mom tells me. Some kids stop using their planners because they check online, but then you don't get to see the big picture. You can see a list of assignments, but you can't see how they fit into your personal schedule unless your assignments and your schedule are in the same place. So, if you're going to rely mostly on the school management system, you should get in the habit of recording at least basic information in your daily planner section. Highlight it to make it easier to know what to pack up at the end of the day, and keep using that monthly calendar to plan for the big picture.